In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eRank with your Etsy storefront to find better keyword opportunities for your listings. We'll go through the process from start to finish in a simple, practical way, so you can quickly move from research to action. The goal here is to use real keyword data to make smarter decisions about the terms you place in your Etsy listing tags. Start by opening Google Chrome. Once Chrome is ready, go to the eRank analysis portal and connect your active Etsy storefront profile. Linking your shop allows the platform to work more smoothly with your listings and helps keep your keyword research connected to your store's workflow. As you do this, make sure you're using the correct Etsy account so you're analyzing and updating the right storefront. If anything takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds and confirm that the connection is complete before moving on. After that, look at the top dashboard bar menu and click the keyword tool option. This is the area where you'll research search terms and explore what shoppers may actually be typing into Etsy. The keyword tool is especially helpful because it gives you a broader view of demand and competition instead of relying on guesses or trends alone. Next, enter your product category description phrase into the search bar. Think of this as a straightforward phrase that describes what you're selling. Keep it relevant and specific to the product type you want to optimize. This helps the tool return more useful keyword suggestions and more accurate data. Once you enter the phrase, run the search and let the results populate. Now take some time to study the monthly search volume values along with the competition intensity charts. These two data points matter a lot. Search volume gives you an idea of how often shoppers are looking for that phrase, while competition shows how crowded that keyword space may be. A phrase with strong search volume but lighter competition can often be more valuable than a very popular phrase that many sellers are already targeting. Finally, choose the target phrases that show high search volume and relatively low competition, then paste those directly into your listing tags fields on Etsy. This step is where your research turns into optimization. Focus on phrases that are closely related to the product, because relevance still matters just as much as traffic potential. As you update your tags, be consistent and intentional with your choices, so your listings have a better chance of appearing in relevant searches. That's the full process. Follow it carefully, and you'll have a clearer, more data-driven way to improve your Etsy keyword strategy.